Welcome to the Radiomics Prechecks tutorial. I'm your AI guide from the MEDiml lab team. Before we dive into Radiomics Prechecks, I recommend checking out the data processing tutorial. Radiomics Prechecks help identify optimal parameters for your radiomics study. While not mandatory for feature extraction, it's a recommended step. Refer to our documentation for more details. Let's get started. For the inputs, CSV file contains info about regions of interest for each scan patient. NPY dataset, path to your processed data where binary pickle objects are saved. Prechecks options, define scans to include in your checks from institutions to modalities, etc. As you can see, the Run button is deactivated as the inputs are not configured. There's also the Show Results button, but since we haven't analyzed anything yet, no results are available. Let's now set the inputs. First, pick the CSV. Second, choose your processed dataset to analyze. Finally, Prechecks options are auto-filled from the last processed data, which is the case here. If not, you can just type yours in the custom input box. For this tutorial, we will analyze CT scans. Now that the Run button is active, let's start our checks. Once the checks are done, click Show Results to display a draggable panel. The results display 3 histograms, one for XY axis voxel spacing, another for Z axis voxel spacing, aiding in the selection of optimal spacing for radiomics studies. The third histogram assists in determining the ideal intensity range, such as a range that eliminates air and bone structures from all images. That concludes our tutorial. Happy processing, and we look forward to your company in the next tutorial.